What's up, everybody? Chris and Alan back with 3-day weekend. We're going to install some MudBusters Mud Flares on my RZR Turbo.
Turbzilla,
that's the new name. Here it is.
4 flaps and a bag of goodies.
Bag of goodies, directions, and a sticker.
Oh, the sticker. Mine didn't come with a sticker.
Really?
Yeah.
I'd send them back.
This is ridiculous. Wait, did mine come with a sticker? Tyler's didn't come with a sticker. I don't remember now.
Lame.
You've seen our other videos. If you haven't, go back and check them out, because we put MudBusters on every vehicle we have. While he reads the directions, I'll show you. These ones have been through the ringer, hitting trees in sub-freezing temperatures. I've hit both sides in a day against a tree, and they are not broken. They are hanging on. But the other ones we've had on the other machines, the cheap ones, you touch a tree like that and they shatter into a million pieces.
Yeah, I had cheap ones on mine and shattered.
Yeah.
These are definitely thicker.
Very good, but not so thick that they're gonna break.
No.
They do flex. They're perfect.
And these are the Mud Light version.
Okay.
There's 3 versions. What is it? Extreme,
+1,
Mud Light,
or Max.
something like that.
Max +1.
Mud Light, and then they have a race version. I think the fronts are always the same.
Not for the super lights or whatever.
Yeah.
Are they the same?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought they had changed.
Fronts are the same. The rears just change how much coverage you have. So this is going to stick out from the fender here. In the race version, this piece isn't there. And then the full coverage obviously is bigger than this. So this is the middle one.
Middle. That one's the big one. I do?
Alright. Up in the front here, we have to remove this little push pin here. And once we do that, we're going to slide the flare onto these pre-existing marks, like such. And then we're going to put a 1-inch bolt through the pre-existing hole with the washer on both sides and a lock nut on the back.
What size is that hex?
Well, you know, 4mm.
4mm with an 11
on the back.
Pretty sure they're English, but 11 will do.
Yeah. You can't put 2 in there.
How many are you gonna put in that hole?
Hey, you know, I do what I want. Now we have to drill these holes out all the way up along. You may need to, before you do that, bend these at the creases so that you can get them flat up against the fenders that are already there.
Creases line up good.
Probably loosen this. I don't know why you tighten it so much.
It's just.
No, sometimes you just gotta go right to the
I thought it was tight.
Looks like you gotta slide it up a little bit.
That's what I was thinking. Slide it up, line it. How's that top one look? That'll be good.
So when we were lining this up, there's nowhere up here to tell how far in to go. If you just follow this seam right here, there's a little corner that you get right there. And this sits kind of right in there against it, and it won't move. So that's where you pretty much want it. Line up once we.
So there's a pattern to drill in these holes.
There's a pattern. Do the one here.
There
2,
first, 2, 3.
3,
Yeah.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And those
Might want to
were,
fact check that. I don't know.
is anything like the clamp.
You seem You seem confident.
Hey, I read it once. So
all right.
It's pretty much.
Start drilling. One at a time though.
5/16 drill bit.
Mm-hmm.
One at a time. After you drill the hole, put this in. That way you know this is going to be lined up and everything as you go. So.
Okay.
That's what we're going to do.
Get to drilling. That was pretty easy.
Pretty easy. Once you figure out which way to put those clamps on, it goes on easy. I'd say that'll keep a little bit more mud off.
It should keep mud off, yes. Let's do the other front one.
Alright, number 2's done. Pretty easy. What'd that take?
A few minutes.
5 or 10 minutes, maybe.
Here's hoping the rears are just as easy. But it just doesn't look good.
We're about to find out.
Alright. We're working on the rear. And it turns out we got the wrong hardware kit because it didn't come with spacers or an L bracket. What they say is supposed to go there?
I think the L bracket's for the other Fender.
For the Max? Okay. So we put one of the long inch and a quarter.
Yeah.
Long bolts. One of those. Through here. Shoot. And then it goes over at the back. Tighten that with a nut. Then these tabs have to go in those tabs.
These 3.
Yep. Then take this out so that you slide that down because it's going to wedge in between. And once we get that lined up, we'll drill these holes. But this one, see the gap? This one's down flush, and that one's down flush. This one needs a spacer, which we didn't get. So I have some TV stand wall mount spacers. Ground those down to size, and we'll put those in as our spacers.
I'm gonna put it in.
Going for it, huh?
I'm going to hit that.
You absolutely are.
So, I think I'm gonna put it in. I think.
Improvising. And you just don't get the right kit.
Yeah.
Found a bolt. Just so happens that we have a box from another project sitting here with an extra bolt we needed.
Bingo.
And it'll match. They are done.
I think they look pretty good.
Yeah.
That'll keep the mud off my face.
It'll definitely help. Cool.
Yeah.
I imagine it's easier with the correct install kit.
Yeah, it would have been easier if we had all the parts, but now they're custom, so.
Custom.
Yeah.
I like it.
I think they'll do.
Okay, send us out.
Thanks for watching. If you like this, like and subscribe it. Check out our other videos. Turbzilla.